Okay, so as you'll see, and I'm partially covering the other video, so I can go ahead and go through this with you mainly. You just pop this thing out, flathead screwdriver or a pry tool, just clip it in there and just pop this thing out. This goes into here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and that's it. And then pull the stock filter out, pop the new one back in. You're done. All right, for this install K&N air filter, you're going to need something to pry this with. Flathead screwdriver, a tool like this, or some kind of pry tool. Just want to slip in there. There you go. Pop it out. Slip it over there. This out. Because we're going to have to move 4 8mm bolts. So probably want to get a decent size extension. And fourth and last one, I don't know if you can see me. Alright, so just a FYI, you got 4 bolts here, 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 and here. And you got that to move, and voila! Stock air filter housing. It's got a little, looks cool, little gate right there. I'm assuming that's for water to go out of. Alright, so first thing I guess you want to do is pull this bad boy out. Let's see how this works. Yep, just twist it out. Big ass Flimoco, Ford Motor Company for y'all that are under 30. And you just toss this thing on. Should fit right in there. Easy as that, easy peasy. So anyway, hope my video showed up good. Just trying it with a different type of lighting, but anyway, yeah, you can see stock filter versus K&N. You know, of course, K&Ns I've had my whole life. You can take those things out and recharge them, or recharge them, basically clean them and re-oil them, depending on what kind of environment you're in. Adds a little bit of horsepower. I don't buy necessarily the claims you see online, because you know I've had many K&Ns, I've had my old Mustangs, having my last 4Runner, pretty much almost every vehicle I've owned for the last 10-15 years, whether I did anything with them or not, I always put a K&N air filter in. Nothing else for environmental issues, but I do prefer it. It does have a little bit more pep, but it's hardly anything you can feel maybe, and I doubt it would show a little on the dyno. So I'm going to put this back on. That's the same reverse order we just did, and then we'll be good to go. Voila, and we're done.